I guess we're going Asian with this. I kind of don't like this. Get it out. Hold up. It's hard to mix with a spatula. Ugh. It seems like I'm doing something wrong. This is honestly like the ugliest thing ever. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today I am going to take a recipe from Milk Street Tuesday Nights Cookbook by Christopher Cobal. I have done at least one video from this recipe book, but today I thought we would do a dessert. Ta-da! So this is the triple chocolate almond cookie. I am super excited for it. I love chocolate, I like almonds, I like cookies. Not as much as other things, but I'm still down for it. So if you want to see if my cookies turn out at all like this photo, then let's get cooking. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, also subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. I do behind the scenes. I also post things throughout my daily life, so if you want to see me throughout the week and not just on Wednesdays, then go check it out. So you know me, I do not have a microwave. My first thing that I'm going to do is melt my milk chocolate. And the best way to do that is with a double boiler, which I'm going to be using because I don't have a microwave. I need 8 ounces of milk chocolate. This is 9 ounces. I don't think I'm going to take away that 1 ounce, so I'm just going to add it all in. Next thing, I am going to mix my dry ingredients, which is 1 cup of flour. I should get a cute little container for this because this is honestly the ugliest thing ever. I need 3/4 of dark brown sugar, packed. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And lastly, I just need 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And whisk it together. I'm just trying to break down the dark brown sugar because it was, really packed together. Okay, I need 3 large eggs. And it says fold it in with a large spatula, large rubber spatula. I was not expecting this texture. It's crumbly. I guess it's fine, but it seems like I'm doing something wrong. Melted chocolate is going in. This is almond butter from Fraser Farms, 2/3 cup. So first I'm gonna give it a little stir because sometimes the oils, actually all the time, the oils separate. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it wanted me to have bars of chocolate, but I didn't get any. So I have chocolate chips, and it wanted 6 ounces of semi-sweet. Okay, now I'm just going to mix this all together. It's hard to mix with a spatula. Ugh. Oh my gosh, I'm done. This was so fast. Done. I just need to put it on a baking sheet and throw it in the oven. Let's give it a little try. Pretty good. Where are my almonds? Alright, I have sliced almonds. Lay them out on this plate. Roll up my sleeves. And, oh wait, hold up. I need to get my baking sheets ready. I have 1 baking sheet ready. Here we go. Tablespoon of my dough. I'm gonna take my rings off for this. Come on, get out. Okay. And then flatten into my almonds. And then I just put it like that. Come on. Get it out. I think I'm gonna have a lot more dough than I have baking sheets. Ah, this one's really gooey. I kinda don't like this. Ah. Alright, so it said to put 15 on a tray. I only got 12 on a tray, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm going to do the other tray. Okay, so I did the second tray. I have one back there, one up here. What I do need to do is brush the tops with an egg white and then sprinkle some salt on top, and then I bake it. These ways of egg cartons are so ridiculous. Like, why? 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 That didn't work. Now it did it. Do I have an empty? I do! So, there's this trick. I've never tried it where you, oh, that was water. Where you squeeze it and then it just lifts the yolk up. So, we're gonna try it. Impressive. Wow. That was pretty cool. I didn't think it was gonna work that easily, but cool. All my forks are missing. All my forks are missing. I guess we're going Asian with this. So lightly beat the egg white. And then I just brush the tops. If I have like egg white scramble on the top of these, oh, gross. I hope not. Okay. It wants me to use this special flaky sea salt. I don't have it. I couldn't find it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of kosher salt. I don't trust it. I don't trust it, but I'm following the recipe. Ugh. I hope it turns good. Okay, we're done. Now I'm gonna go bake it 350 degrees for 10 to 13 minutes. I will be back. Alright, my cookies are done. The egg whites were not scrambled eggs, so thank God. I was very scared for that. I'm gonna try one. Here we go. Here we go. Kind of scared. I need a cup of milk. I can taste the sweetness. I taste the salt on top. It tastes really good. But it is dry. And I need milk. I want to think that the almond butter is what made it dry and such. But I don't know. They are good. You just need a glass of milk with them. That is all. So if you like chocolate, if you like almonds, if you like salt, then this is a good cookie. Definitely need some milk. Definitely. Thank you for joining me for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.